Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic to the ketogenic lifestyle community, and that is one of developing mental agility. Learning to shift your mindset to adapt to different situations. Thinking about things in a flexible manner. It's really important in terms of adaptation and sustaining your keto. And we'll talk more about that at length. The ketogenic diet has revolutionized how people approach health and wellness. With its high-fat, low-carb regimen, it offers a myriad of physical benefits like weight loss, improved energy levels, and enhanced cognitive function. However, the journey to a healthier lifestyle isn't just about what you eat. It also is about cultivating the right mindset. Mental agility, the ability to shift your mindset and adapt to different situations, is crucial for success in the ketogenic lifestyle and diet and beyond. Let's talk about understanding what mental agility is all about. Mental agility refers to the flexibility of your thinking processes. It's about being able to switch perspectives, adapting to new information, and pivoting your approach as needed. This skill is essential not only in maintaining a ketogenic lifestyle, but also in navigating the complexities of everyday life. Mental agility helps you stay resilient in the face of challenges and open to new opportunities. Now let's speak about the connection between mental agility and keto. Starting and maintaining a ketogenic diet and lifestyle requires significant changes to your eating patterns, habits, and overall day-to-day functioning. Here's how mental agility can make the transition smoother and more sustainable. Number 1, overcoming initial hurdles. Adapting to the keto diet means cutting out many foods you might love in the past, like bread, pasta, processed foods, and sugary snacks. Mental agility allows you to shift your focus from what you're losing to what you're gaining. That is better health, increased energy, and a clearer mind. Number 2, handling social situations. Eating out or attending social gatherings can be challenging when you're on a keto diet. With mental agility, you can navigate these situations by finding keto-friendly options or politely explaining your dietary choices without feeling deprived or awkward. Number 3, dealing with setbacks. Everyone faces setbacks, whether it's succumbing to a craving or hitting a weight loss plateau that may occur. A flexible mindset helps you view these setbacks as learning opportunities rather than failures, allowing you to bounce back stronger. Now let's talk about strategies to develop mental agility. Here are some practical strategies to help you cultivate mental agility. Number 1, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you stay present and aware of your thoughts and feelings. This awareness allows you to recognize when you need to shift your mindset and approach a situation differently. Simple practices like meditation, deep breathing, or journaling can enhance your mindfulness. Number 2, Embrace change. Start seeing change as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. When you encounter a new situation, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This positive outlook encourages adaptability and resilience. Number 3, stay informed. Educate yourself about the ketogenic diet and lifestyle and nutrition. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be able to make informed decisions and adapt to new information. This knowledge empowers you to make adjustments to your diet and lifestyle confidently. Number 4, set realistic goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This approach makes it easier to adapt your plans as needed and celebrate small victories along the way, keeping you motivated and flexible. Number 5, seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Whether it's friends, family, acquaintances, or online groups, having people who understand your journey can provide encouragement and different perspectives, helping you stay agile in your mindset. Now let's talk about applying mental agility in everyday daily life. Mental agility isn't just beneficial for your ketogenic journey, it's a valuable life skill to have. Here's how you can apply it in various aspects of your life. For example, in work, adapt to changes in your job or industry by being open to new methods, technologies, and roles. How about your relationships? Navigate conflicts and different perspectives with empathy and flexibility, strengthening your connections. Personal growth. Embrace lifelong learning and personal development, continually evolving to become the best version of yourself. So in conclusion, developing mental agility is a powerful way to enhance your ketogenic diet journey and lifestyle and helping you down the road in terms of sustaining that lifestyle. By learning to shift your mindset and adapt to different situations, you can overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and maintain a balanced, fulfilling life. Embrace this mental flexibility and watch how it transforms not only your approach to the ketogenic diet and lifestyle, but also your entire outlook on your life. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please provide them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. I will talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.